Hello everyone, if you want to get rid of these messy cables of old cameras and cables hanging all around, get one of these. I will show you now how you can install it. First let me show you what comes in the box for this OEM-FITCAM 4K camera, which is just plug and play original to your car. They support many cars and this one is for Mercedes. So you'll see this is like your original plastic cover in your car, but just this one comes with a built-in camera, micro SD card, and we will just connect it with the app, just plug and play and you are ready to go. From the accessories, we get this ply tool, which will be very handy for installation. I will show you that in a moment. And you get this one if you want to transfer your files from the car to your laptop, but you will not need this as you can do everything directly from your mobile app. So let's go to the installation. To remove your old cover, first remove this part here, pull it down like this, and this is enough. Keep it like this. You can see against this line is where this sits, so we'll press it like this and then it will pop up now. Otherwise this is hatched above this, so you cannot simply remove it without pushing this one back. Now what you want is just pull the original one all the way till it pops up. Press it from the top towards the bottom, like this. Now just press it from the side a bit, like this, till it pops up, and that's it. And once you release it, it will easily pull out all the way to the end. You can see that these two look identical, except that this one has integrated camera. Of course, other benefit is that everything is plug and play. So you just need to unplug this one, press it like this, and then pull it all the way out. Then, like I said, this is all plug and play. Put it here and this one back to the original one till it snaps and your camera is now turned on. So let's just put it back and see the quality of it. While putting it back, just make sure the wires are put properly. They are not on your way to pull it back. We are still keeping the old one here. Your installation, you can remove this part. So I will show you here how it goes. So it needs to go below like this, and then you will just click it like this. Don't force it, just find its path slowly and then pull it all the way till it snaps. Simple as this, and that's it. Now look at this beauty. No cables, no anything, just a camera which is totally not even visible, but it will record. And now let's connect the app and see the quality of these videos. Download this app, FITCAMX, turn on your Wi-Fi and location, and then just click connect to FITCAM. So it is this car cam. The password is 123456778. Connected without internet, that is fine. And now you can see camera is connected and it is recording. You can take photos of it while recording. Download the files immediately from the camera file, like I said, without the need of pulling out the micro SD card. So you can see everything is here. Let's see what other camera options we have. You can put the sound on, video resolution, as you can see this 4K. You can put time watermark, sensing, collision sensing. We can turn this on for parking as well. So now let's go do a test drive and see how is the quality of this camera. You can see the line on the front one, which you will see even more during the day. So this is due to tinting. And you can see while driving, you can monitor it real time as well on your app. Wide lens camera, so it will capture every moment from all the side that you can see in front. You see even the other side, it's clearly visible, which is amazing if you have, pedestrian or anything. It will prove either you are guilty or not guilty. For example, you can see this one crossing the road on not dedicated place, which is not good. But like I said, it will be proof for you or against you. In any case, it is good to have it always on your car, without any cables, without any mess. Nobody will even notice that you have dash cam, which is another advantage of it. Because there are no any visible cables, nothing. Simply as your OEM plastic part, that is the same with this camera. Simply amazing. As you can see, license plates are easily readable, which is very important when you are driving. If somebody scratches you or something, that you get his license plates. You can also get the reverse camera as well, so you can recording what is happening at the back of your car in addition to the front of your car. What I really like is this wide lens camera, because you cover both sides of the road and the visibility is really amazing. Any accident happen, it will be captured for sure. If you like the camera, make sure to check the link in the comments below. They have options for all kind of brands to support this OEM camera, so it will be just plug and play any car you have. Here you can see from the list of available cars, and it is really a lot of brands and a lot of models from all these brands. And that will be all for this video. I'm very satisfied with the quality of the camera, and the best thing is, like I showed, it is plug and play installation. All the tool you need you will receive in the box, and within max half hour you will get it installed and ready to go, even if you are not that much hands-on with the installation of the cameras. And if you are handy, you can do it maximum in 5 minutes. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.